Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at the streets, or we're driving through New Kingston, but we're going to focus on the streets, as all the streets, or most of the streets in New Kingston, are named after Caribbean countries. So we're going to take a look at them. Now we're turning left onto Tobago Avenue, Trinidad and Tobago. So this road is named Tobago Avenue. So you're going to find St. Lucia Avenue, Grenada Crescent, Trinidad Terrace, a lot of the roads named after the Caribbean countries. Okay, so that was Tobago Avenue. We're now turning left onto Knutsford Boulevard. And surprisingly, there is no Jamaica Avenue. This road, Knutsford Boulevard, should be renamed Jamaica Avenue. That's just my suggestion. I mean, I doubt it will happen, but we need a Jamaica Avenue in New Kingston. Okay, we're now turning left onto Grenada Crescent. And as you can see, there are a lot of office buildings in New Kingston. This is the financial district of Jamaica, the Jamaican version of Wall Street. So a lot of businesses, a lot of high-rise buildings, a lot of hotels. Okay, we're now turning right onto St. Lucia Avenue. Notice a trend with the names. A lot of government agencies or ministries have offices in New Kingston. Okay, now we're turning on to Barbados Avenue. Notice the names. Now, as it's the Jamaican version of Wall Street, you can imagine that you have to pay a premium price for office space here. So you find a lot of banks, financial institutions have offices in this area. I'm not sure how much the offices rent for, but I know it's very expensive. So if anybody knows, you can give us an idea by leaving a message in the section below, or leaving a comment below. But I know it's a premium, it's very expensive. Okay, we're at the intersection of Knutsford Boulevard and Barbados Avenue. Okay, we're staying on Barbados Avenue. Okay, we're now going on to Grenada Crescent. That road that we just passed on the left is Grenada Way. Okay, straight ahead is Dominica Drive. Alright, let's go down to Dominica and then come back around. The road we just passed on the left is Trinidad Terrace. So let's take a look at Dominica Drive and then we go back on to Trinidad Terrace. Now, one thing about driving in New Kingston, they have a lot of one-ways, so you have to be very careful or pay attention to the one-way signs. On the right, we just passed the New Kingston Business Center, but that used to be the New Kingston Shopping Center. Not sure why they changed the name. Okay, so we're on Dominica Drive, and we're going to turn around. Let's go inside here and turn. Okay, now this piece of land that we're turning into used to be the New Kingston Drive-In Theatre. Now it's a large property. It no longer operates as a cinema, but you could easily build skyscrapers on this property. I'm not sure why it has just remained empty. It's very strange. I'm not even sure who owns it, but we're going to take a look at it and then we go back and look at the roads. And as you can see, the building on the right was a cafeteria stand for the cinema. Oh, the screen is still up. So the way this cinema used to work is you would pay, come in, and you would park like here. It has a little elevation so you can see the screen, and then you would adjust your radio to a certain frequency, and that's how you'd get the audio for the cinema. It was very nice, very popular, but you know, with technology things change, and but it closed down or ceased operating. But look at the land space. Easily you could build buildings here. Does anybody know why this property is still how it is? I mean, I find it very strange that the property in New Kingston, this is the largest empty lot in New Kingston, one of the only empty lots in New Kingston. So I find it very strange that it's just sitting down here as an old cinema. Does anybody know why? And if you look around it, you see all these buildings. Can anybody tell us why? Okay, and this is just one part of the cinema. This was cinema one. There is a second part which is even bigger than this part. That is, we're going to take a look at it now. Now this part is being used. Okay, we can enter from here. It's the cinema setup is still there, but they have Knutsford Express operates their terminus from here, but it still has the parking lot for the cinema. So I don't think it's the price. I mean, you're going to have to pay a premium price for this land, but you'll definitely make it back when you build a building and start charging rent. So I don't think it's a price. I have no idea who owns it. I doubt it's a government, because they would have put up government buildings there in no time. Okay. Alright, so we're now going back onto Dominica Drive. Okay, now we're going to turn right onto Trinidad Terrace. Okay, we're going across Knutsford Boulevard, but we're staying on Trinidad Terrace. Okay, we're now turning left onto St. Lucia Avenue. And on the left, that is Grenada Crescent we're passing. On the left coming up is Tobago Avenue. And on the right, that's the Spanish Court Hotel. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.